Hello students, welcome to GC Tech Hub CS tutorials. Here in this video, I am going to show you another question where we will be creating a stack from a dictionary. So you can see there is a dictionary named Book Categ which contains various categories of books and the number of books. Okay, number of books for each subject. Write a Python function to push all those subjects to a stack named books whose number of books are greater than 20, like chemistry, physics, computer science, psychology. You can see the number of books here is greater than 20. So we have to push those subjects, that is chemistry, physics, computer science, psychology, to the stack named books. So we'll start with the main. So name of our stack is books, okay, which will be implemented as a list. Then we are going to take this dictionary over here. What you can do is, as I said in my previous video, you can consider this to be a dummy dictionary. And later on, what you can do is you can create your own dictionary. You can write the program for creating your own dictionary. So that should be something like this. Equals eval enter your own dictionary of subjects and own dictionary of subject, number of books, pairs. Okay, so we have just hidden this for the time being. Now we will define a function. Def count greater than 20 is the name of my function. Or you can also give simply push as the name of the function, whatever you feel like. Now I am going to push the books. First I am going to traverse the dictionary. So I'll be doing it like this. For subject in book category, if book category subject, that is, firstly when I say for subject in book category, this subject object will be containing all the subjects, all the categories, that is all the keys like history, chemistry and so on. And when I want to access the values of each of the subject, I will be writing it like this. Dictionary first, followed by the subject. So now if the value is greater than 20, then I will write books.append subject, because subject is the key and we need to create a stack of those keys. Okay, we will be checking it with the value, but then we will be pushing what? The keys to the stack. So this completes our function. Now we come back to our main, and here we will simply call the function push, and we will print the books stack. And let us run the program, and you can see it pushes all those subjects which are fulfilling the criteria, right? Now here I am going to first hide this dummy list, the dummy dictionary, and now I am going to ask for the dictionary values from the user. So it will be like this, to a pair of curly braces. So I am going to take some random subjects here. One second, there has been some issue with. Okay. Let me just type this in Notepad somewhere. So I'm going to type the dictionary object over here, and I'll paste it there. So I have created a dictionary object over here, and now I'm going to run the program. And you can see only two objects, only two keys are passed, civics and psychology. Why? Because there the number of books is greater than 20. Not greater than equal to, but greater than 20, as you can see over here. And it is being mentioned here also whose number of books are greater than 20. So such type of questions you will get in your practical exam. So kindly prepare accordingly. Thank you.